Good evening. As you saw right there, we finally have a GRK-R conversion. So that is gonna go on my GS2 Evo. It's not so much an Evo anymore, but you know, we gotta build something. As you can see, there's a bunch of parts on the table, so we'll go at it one by one. First one is an open side arm shaft, so that's a conversion kit for your A-arms. We have shim spacers of different kinds. This is just to get the caster adjusted. We have a GRK-5 gear adapter, which is required to get this going with a GS2 Evo. And last, these are for both of my GRK-5Rs. This is the HRP center bridge unit. So this one is, I would say, the medium stiffness if I had to guess. So there's two connecting points that would allow some flex. And this one is the single unit. So instead of the two connecting points on the side, you have this one right in the middle. So we're gonna go and test that at Rolling Garage sometime this week. Before I get carried away, we gotta make room, because there's been some questions. This one right here is my favorite to drive right now. This one, not so much. But anyways, so let's go over alignment real quick. Toe, I wouldn't know what to tell you. I don't use any digital device to measure toe. I kind of just eyeball it to how I like. And same goes for my Ackerman. As far as camber, the front is at -11 and the rear is at -3. Motor is a 13.5 AccuVance Agile. Steering wise, it's a Futaba CD700 paired with a GYD 550. That is right here. Whoop. Don't fall. My favorite part about this car is the paint job. I've been rocking this all year, painted by Mr. Mackie Works. Hey Mackie, miss ya. Anyways, as nice as this paint job is, I really love to drive it hard. And well, it's taken a beating, but hey, at least it looks really good on video. And that's where James comes in. If you know him on Instagram, at stupidcinematix, he shot this car while I was driving at Rolling Garage this past Saturday. I would say the hardest part about a drone following you is that you just gotta ignore it. My first few times with James behind me, I was kind of struggling because I kept staring at the drone trying to figure out what it does. But if you just let him do his thing and you do your thing, it comes out to a really, really nice cinematic piece. And this is where that footage comes in. I don't think we're gonna get through installation footage of this, so we might as well just unbox it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So I got a black one because this car is basically a hybrid. So we get our instruction manual. This is the motor mount, upper mount, and this is the battery tray / spur gear. Alright, well, let's move on. I ended up building the upper part of the transmission, and I wanted to go over some things real quick. Now, if you're using the 72 tooth spur, you're using the upper, and a 28 tooth idler gear on the lower hole. And another thing,
when you tighten these with the tool, you don't want to do it too tight. Like mine is just snug. If I were to loosen it, it's not much. Because when you do it too tight, it stresses out the bearings and it could lead to a failure on the idler gear. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this, and I'll see you on the next video.